Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lecture we are going to talk about Matplotlib. So Matplotlib, in most cases what it does, Matplotlib it is a Python library which is used to visualize utility or to visualize data. So if you want to plot something and you want to visualize your data to make analysis using visual interpretation, we normally use Matplotlib. What we can do now, Anaconda always come automatically installed with the Matplotlib. So how to use Matplotlib for plotting? Let us import the following libraries. So first thing that we need to import, we want to plot a simple graph. So we are going to use NumPy. So let us import it as NP. Now let us import our Matplotlib. So import Matplotlib dot pyplot. Okay, is let us say plt. So we have imported our Matplotlib. So it's this library main purpose is for visualization. This one has to do with the numerical data. So now let us create some arrays. Okay, we need the coordinates. Let us create x and y coordinates so that we'll be able to plot a graph. So let us do one thing. We need to put a title for the graph. Then we also label the graph with the x-axis and the y-axis. So let us say the x data, the x-axis data, it's numpy dot array. Okay, let us list the data. Let's say 60, let's say 100, let's say 125. Okay, then just a simple graph. Let us create an array for y, numpy dot array. So the array list here, let us create the array list for Benage. So let us say 200. Let us say 200 here. Let's say 290 here, and let's say 350. Let's say 350 here, 350. So what we'll do here, we have to pass our pyplot, our Matplotlib, which is plt dot plot. We need to plot for x coordinate and the x coordinate in our array. So our graph will come. But what we need to do, we need the labels. So let us create the label. Matplotlib, we need a title here, and our title, let's say pulse rate. This is just a random data. Pulse rate check. Let's say pulse rate check. Okay, now here let's say Matplotlib pyplot dot our x-axis label. Our x-axis label going to have pulse here, and our y label here. Y label is going to have, let's put Benage here. Now we need to visualize the data, so we have to say pyplot dot show, plt dot show for Matplotlib dot show. So we have to visualize. So here, this is our x-axis coordinates or our values, and here is our title, and this is our x and y label. So let us run to visualize the graph. Okay then, so this is what we have. We have our title, pulse rate check, and also we are having our y-axis, and we are having our x-axis values, as you can see. So this is how we normally use Matplotlib. Matplotlib is used to visualize data. And with Matplotlib, there are different graphs that you can plot. We have a scatter plot, we have bars, we have histogram, we have pie chart. So if you want, for example, to plot a scatter plot, you just say x coordinates is equals to, let us say, numpy dot array. Okay, our array, let us put these following values. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Let's say let's put 5 here, 7, 9. Let us put 12. Let us put 44. Let us put 12 again. Let us put 17 here. Okay. And also on the y-axis, let us say numpy dot array. Here, let us say 12. Let us say 88. Let us say 15, 25. This is just random data. 90, 55. So you have to make sure that the coordinates, they relate. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure that you have also 9 elements there. Make sure you have also 9 elements. So now to plot a scatter plot, you just say prt dot scatter. Then you put your x and y coordinates. You put your x and y axis there. Then prt dot show. Then you run your code. So this is a scatter plot. As you can see, this is a scatter plot. If you want to put labels, I think we have learned how to put labels, the title, the x and the y labels. So this is a scatter plot. You can also plot graphs like bar graphs, histograms, and pie charts. So to plot a histogram, you just say pyplot plt dot, let's say a bar graph, so bar, then you put it and pass x and y. Then we say plt dot show. Then we run. Okay, as you can see here, we have successfully plotted a graph. So Matplotlib is mainly used to visualize data. You can even visualize a pie chart by simply call your Matplotlib dot, then you type the name of the graph that you want to use, which is pie chart. Then you can put the data that you want to use. Then here we have to say prt dot show so that we can visualize the data. As you can see now, we are having a chart. Okay, and in this chart you can add the labels if you want to. You can even put grids in your graphs. Okay, for example, we have already plotted here something. We have plotted this. So here you can add grid. You just say prt dot grid. Okay, then you run your code. As you can see, we have added some grids here. So you can do a lot of things with the grids, and you can put colors on those grids. You can do a lot of things. So I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.